compare and ordering of numbers. Compare and ordering of numbers. That means comparing, that is which is greater and which is smaller. After comparing that, we should arrange in either in ascending order or in descending order according to the question. See, this is the question. Compare and write the following in ascending and descending orders. So this is the question, and you are asked to compare. You are asked to compare and write in ascending and descending orders. In both orders you should write. So you know that ascending order means increasing order. That means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Arranging the given numbers in ascending order means small to big. Descending order means arranging the given numbers from big to small. So before arranging the numbers in descending and ascending order, just to find which is the greatest and smallest numbers among this one. So which is the greatest and smallest number? How can you find? By comparing the given numbers. So see here, 29,845. It consists of 5 digits. 29,923. It consists of 5 digits. 38,962. It also consists of 5 digits. 1,26,845. It consists of 6 digits. 8,496. It consists of 4 digits. 36,897. It consists of 5 digits. So before finding which is greater and which is smaller, just to go through the question once. That means which number consists of how many digits. So this consists of 5, 5, 5, 6, 4, 5. So which is the smallest one? So here only it consists of 4 digits. 8,496. It is the smallest. So smallest is 8,496. And now greatest one. So greatest. So it is 5 digits. 5, 5, 6, 4, 5. So among all these, this number is consists of 6 digits. So this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. In this manner, you should compare. You should compare and align it in ascending or descending order. You should compare and find which is greatest and which is smallest. Now, we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order. Increasing order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Small to big. So among these numbers, just only we compare and find which is the smallest number. So you should write 8,496. 8,496. So after that, which is next, it consists of 5 digits. It also consists of 5 digits. It also consists of 5 digits. This is 6 and this is 5. So 5 digit numbers. Now to observe the 5 digit numbers. So first two numbers are 29. This is 29, 38, 36. So 29 is the smallest. So again we have same digits. First two digits are same. 29, 29. In 10,000 place there is 2. 10,000 place there is 9. Here also 10,000 place 2. 1,000 place 9. So here 29, 29. So when you come across this situation, just go to the next number. So here it is 8. Here it is 9. So first two numbers are same, 29 and 29. Move to the next number. It is 8 and it is 9. Which is smallest? This one is smallest. That is 29,845. After that, 29,923. 36,897. Which is smallest? 36 is the smallest. That means 36,897. After that, 38,961. Finally, we get 1,26,845. 845. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to bigger. So here, first you count the number of digits. So here it is 5, 5, 5, 6, 4, 5. So which is the smallest? 14 number is the smallest. That too we write in the first place. 8,496. After that, 5 digit numbers. 29,845, 29,923, 38,965, and finally 36,897. So in this first two digits are same. There is a 29 and 29. So you move to the next number. It is 8 and it is 9. Which is smallest? Obviously, we get 29,845. After that, 29,923. Then 36,897. After that, 38 is bigger. That is 38,962. After that, 1,26,845. Now, descending order. Descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order. That means big to small. Big to small. Big to small. So for this only, first you go through the number of digits. Count to the number of digits. Obviously, it consists of 6 digits. So it takes the first position. 1,26,845. After that, we have 5 digit number. This is 5, 5, 5, and that also 5. Among the 38 is the bigger. The 2 we take in second place. After that, 36. After that, here 29, 29. Which is bigger? 9 is the bigger. So 29. After that, 29,845. And finally, we get 4 digit number 8,496. 8,496. So once again, listen now. Compare and write in ascending and descending order. Here is the question. You have to compare and find which is smallest and which is greatest. Also, you have to write in ascending and descending order. So compare. To compare, just you count the number of digits in the given question. So this is 5, 5, 5, 6, 4, 5. So it is clear. Which is the smallest? 14 number is the smallest. The 2 is the smallest. 8,496. And greatest number is the 6 digit number. 1,26,845. After that, you are asked to write in ascending and descending order. Ascending order means arrange the given numbers in from small to big. That is increasing order. So this is the 4 digit number. This is the 5, 5, 5, 5. When you come across the same number of digits, see the first digit. So it is 2, 2, 3, 3. So when you come across the same digit in the first place, then move to the next place. If it is same, now next move to the next place. So like that you have to compare and arrange the numbers in ascending order. Next, descending order. Descending order means a decreasing order. That is to big to small. So 6 digit number here. 6 digit number is the biggest one. So it takes the first position. After that, we have to compare and write in this manner. So this type of questions are there in exercise for 6th class first chapter. So you heard this topic and clear with that and solve the questions based on this topic. Thank you.